First reading, 1 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 1 to 5. People should think of us as Christ's servants, stewards entrusted with the mysteries of God. In such a matter, what is expected of stewards is that each one should be found trustworthy. It is of no importance to me how you or any other human court may judge me. I will not even be the judge of my own self. It is true that my conscience does not reproach me, but that is not enough to justify me. It is the Lord who is my judge. For that reason, do not judge anything before the due time. Until the Lord comes, he will bring to light everything that is hidden in darkness and reveal the designs of all hearts. Then everyone will receive from God the appropriate commendation. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 37 verse 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 27 to 28, 39 to 40. Put your trust in Yahweh and do right. Make your home in the land and live secure. Make Yahweh your joy, and he will give you your heart's desires. Commit your destiny to Yahweh. Be confident in him, and he will act, making your uprightness clear as daylight, and the justice of your cause as the noon. Turn your back on evil and do good. You will have a home forever, for Yahweh loves justice and will not forsake his faithful. Evildoers will perish eternally, the descendants of the wicked be annihilated. The upright have Yahweh for their Savior, their refuge in times of trouble. Yahweh helps them and rescues them. He will rescue them from the wicked, and save them because they take refuge in him. Gospel, Luke chapter 5 verse 33 to 39. They then said to him, John's disciples are always fasting and saying prayers, and the disciples of the Pharisees, too, but yours go on eating and drinking. Jesus replied, Surely you cannot make the bridegroom's attendants fast while the bridegroom is still with them, but the time will come when the bridegroom is taken away from them. Then, in those days, they will fast. He also told them a parable. No one tears a piece from a new cloak to put it on an old cloak. Otherwise, not only will the new one be torn, but the piece taken from the new will not match the old, and nobody puts new wine in old wineskins. Otherwise, the new wine will burst the skins and run to waste, and the skins will be ruined. No, new wine must be put in fresh skins, and nobody who has been drinking old wine wants new. The old is good, he says.